Today I will show you how to make a gourmet side dish with only 3 ingredients. To make caramelized chestnuts, first we need to caramelize sugar in a large pan. Sprinkle an even amount of sugar with a setting of 6 out of 10 into a cold pan. Then switch to 7 out of 10 after a few minutes. Don't stir the sugar. I know it's very tempting, but it is essential to let the sugar heat slowly. This process might take up to 10 minutes. As soon as the sugar melts, add water and mix. The sugar might set at the bottom. This is normal. Wait, it will dissolve quickly. For this dish, I'm using cooked and peeled chestnuts, which are just the best. Add the chestnuts and cook them on medium heat until the mixture thickens. It is a slow process, so please be patient. Again, caramelized chestnuts go extremely well with any wild game dishes. I hope that you will enjoy them. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!